Hello everyone. Start off by tying a low ponytail, then add a decorative clip to the top of the hair as such. Take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it in the right section. Do the same with the middle section and the left section accordingly. At the top, tie a rubber band, then insert a bobby pin in order to make it stay in place. Next, tie a low ponytail, then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place on the side. Add a rubber band to one end of it and then fasten it downwards using a bobby pin and make it look like a bun. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then clip it up using this multi-level clip. Then take a section from the center, twist it, insert it into the central section of the clip. Take a section from the left and the right side accordingly and then insert it into each of the alternate sections of the clip. Next, take these decorative clips, tie a ponytail, then bend the ponytail as such and then tie a rubber band to it, making it look like a little bump. Add another rubber band to the middle section and then make a loop around the bun. Add your decorative clip at the base of the hair as such. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail, bend the ponytail slightly, add a little rubber band to it as such, make it into a bun. On top of this, add your decorative clip to it and now you will have a rose on the top of your hair. Next, divide the hair into two sections, begin to braid the right side section as such. Now, once you are done braiding the right side section, braid the left side section as well. Roll up each of the braids and then fasten it on the alternate side as such. We have fastened the left side braid on the right side and the right side braid on the left side accordingly. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, then add this kind of rubber band around the ponytail. Gather the hair around it and then tie a rubber band all around it. Add a rubber band to the base of it, then add a rubber band to the middle section, roll the hair in on itself, make a loop around the bun, and then fasten it in its place. Next, take these kind of decorative clips, untwist it, then tie a ponytail with the hair and then wrap it around the clip as such. Fasten it in its place. After you have done this, add any color decorative clip. Next, we'll start off by tying a low ponytail, add the clip on top of this. Once you have added the clip, tie a rubber band at the base, roll the hair upwards, remove the clip, and then reattach the clip at the top. Take these kind of decorative rubber bands, and then after that, add some hair twine into the ponytail that you have created. Add a rubber band at the base, and then twist the hair into a bun. Adjust the decorative portion as you please. Next, we'll start off by taking these kind of decorative clips. Tie a rubber band and then make a ponytail out of the hair and then lift up the hair and add the decorative clip. As for the top, fasten it downwards and make it into a bun. Take a hair section from the top, twist it and then add this multi-layered level clip. Take a section from the middle, twist it into the middle section. Take a section from the left, twist it, insert it into the right section of the clip and the right side into the left section of the clip. Then pin the hair up in place, use a multiple prong pin in order to do so. Tie a rubber band with the hair, roll the hair in on itself, and then lessen the gaps as such. Add a rubber band in the middle section, roll it up into a bun, then add your decorative clip at the top of this. Next, we will start off by gathering the hair together, tie it up into a ponytail, spread out the clip, divide the ponytail into two parts, twist one section over the other as such, roll it up into a bun, and then on top of it all, add your decorative rubber band to it or rather the clip. Next, we will start off by taking these decorative clips, tie a ponytail and then lift the ponytail upwards, tie a rubber band at the base of it to make it into a bun. Make it into a bun, then add your decorative clip to it. Thank you for watching.